Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So today we are here to discuss an important topic of why preparing for IT recession. So the recession word means like the when IT companies doesn't require any freshers because they don't recruit any freshers and also lay off some of the people from their company in order to manage their expenses. If the company doesn't get proper projects in time, so the company doesn't have any incoming sources. So that's why they will manage the sources like if they lay off, the amounts will be utilized. So that's why the companies will start using the layoffs.
Yeah, uh, the definition of recession is truly correct, but uh, what are the ways to reduce recession? So an employee can develop his skills in different sectors, like in technical wise and in soft skills wise, like their communication skills and coming to technical skills. As a mechanical engineer, an employee can develop skills in designing, simulation, ANSYS developing. So there are so many technical skills where an employee can excel his talent.
So I think preparing for IT recession is very important because nowadays we are seeing many layoffs and less opportunities in IT section. Um, every student and employee keep learning on new technologies. Um, we do not depend on only on one skill. Technical knowledge is very important, but we should also have communication skills and soft skills also. If student or employee have high skills, then no company should take off him from the company.
Yes, Pranavi, you are correct. But layoff is not only a backlog, but it is also a benefit to all the freshers to learn more skills like upcoming skills like AI and cloud like that. So it is also a benefit to learn more to explore their skills like upcoming for to lead upcoming days. So it is also a benefit. Not only like that, also professions uh, also back.
I didn't agree with you. As you said, layoff is not a benefit because layoff doesn't only refers to skills. A layoff often humiliates a person because it stops his incoming salary. So the if he have any EMIs, if he have any personal things to do, like he requires some capital for that month to sustain. If suddenly he's got layoff and he doesn't have any proper savings in him, so he will suffer very lot emotionally and physically.
Yeah, I completely agree with both of you. Uh, Coming to Hindu, your point is somewhat correct because we all knew a common word that we will learn a lot from our failures. So once we back off in that company, we can learn some other skills. Like we can learn what the thing where we failed in that company, so that we can develop that skill. And coming to Kaushik, that's also correct because if an employee has any family members or he has to lead a family or he have any financial loss background, then then the decision may not be correct for that employee.
Yes, Tanisham, I agree your point. In US, like they are hiring many peoples, and also they are reduced their projects because they are replaced with AI automations. So it can easily solve the logics easy way. So if we learn many skills, uh, they we are keep our job very safe. So learn skills like soft skills or communication or in mechanical engineers we are learning designing or automation simulation like and many technologies these are very useful as in a company we are living without any problem so we have many requirements like these type of skills when we are in a company these type of skills we are having our job is safe.
To cut the cost, IT companies may falling, reduce the
So, in order to cope up with the ideation, one must ensure that he is far beyond the book. So, he has to go out of the book and learn the latest technologies. So, for example, in a case scenario, recently coding has shifted its trend from coding to vibe coding. So, if you followed up with vibe coding, you may be in a league. So, staying up to date is very important in any IT profession.
yes, I agree with your all points. Students are learn with a present technologies and not only stick with the syllabus and all books. I think we are lost. We are learn about AI like machine learning like that. The main reason is behind that the IT recessions replaced with AIs and also artificial intelligence. It makes many IT recessions.
Stages. As said, Pavani, falling demand for services. For IT services, there is a less demand for IT services to develop and out services. Um,
So, for conclusion, in order to being in a relationship, you must be, like I earlier said, you have to stay out of the book and you have to maintain small savings for yourself. And also, you might be getting into new projects or internships, or it's better if I say that you can go into entrepreneurship because in an entrepreneurship, you are the main lead, so you can't be in any recession. Also, like a few numerical calculations, the recession first mainly started in post-COVID era, 2020 to 2021, when work from home started. It has gotten into its peak state. Now, like for example, in Europe only, and like recently a company have take down its CEO and given its position to a new company. At that company itself, the main layoffs are like in millions. So across the globe, there are millions who left the job. So in order to avoid that risk, you must follow the whatever the statements have said earlier. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about IT recruitment. Major companies like XYZ are reducing the staff members because of law of profit. If you don't want to be in this list, you can first of all you have to be confident in your studies, and you have to improve more soft skills like what passion you take. Like if you are mechanical engineer, you have to be more more. You have to learn more skills in either in design sides or core skills. If you are strong in those skills, so you are have less opportunity to get recession. So and as well as you have to passionate about what you are doing on your work. Majorly AI is replacing this kind of making this kind of passionate. If you want to avoid it, you have to strong on your skills what you learn.
Yes, Akash, you said correctly. In the now, now here IT section will falling down because of so many advantages, also disadvantages. First advantages are the encourages the studies and learning, improve if, is improving the say, core subjects, and the disadvantages is salary cuts, and the IT companies are client to us foreign. So many IT companies are contract with the foreign countries, like the Indian economy will fall down in IT section.
As you said, because India is typing from foreign countries, we may lose our job. As you said, instead of that, we have to make sure to manage our skills and passion what about it. Because if we, as you said, our India is typing for foreign countries because we have lack of skills. We have so many members to employees, but we don't have lack of skills in communication skills. If you make sure you are all good in the skills, no one is able to take it. Yes.
First, we focus on soft skills like communication skills, teamwork, and leadership qualities. The IT sector is fastest growing company, and sometimes ups and downs, but depends on customer. Uh,
Yes, Reza, recently faced in IT sectors its challenges and project delays and layoffs and budget cuts, and the situation is called as the IT recession. IT recession is a temporary, and it is a evolving, not a collapsing, and but with continuous learning in innovation ideas, and the industry will get bonus, come back strong, and it will add with AI tools like cloud and cyber security, and the government and the institutes the government and institutes are the uh, net profits in IT sector, and
Yes, Jansi, I see companies, industries facing uncertain times with layoffs and project slowdowns and the financial budgets. The preparing like the financial budget to keep growing to in your India and the IT companies, and preparing to financial planning, skill upgradation to the of your India and so much of.
These recessions, we- recessions mostly mostly happen because of the lack of skills in the employee, where every IT sector, in a IT sector we have a so much of in IT sector we have a so much of opportunities, but the employees didn't grab that opportunities with their skill lack. For that, we are For that, we have to improve our skills before going through any job or opportunity w- we got. We know what the companies require from us. Then we have to completely ac- known about. We have to go with the complete knowledge of that skills. Thank you.
IT recession is the causes of job losses and market economic losses. So, and this IT recession due to impact of Indian economic and
they do not understand how to speak in the company. They do not have a good ideas to implement in the company. The India's down for the IT decisions for to implement the communications and to improve the soft skills also.
Yeah, my teammates also said the first you should be have skills in the more in IT section in the IT companies we must be skills. But the India engineers all the have some skills, but the IT companies have not the jobs because of IT companies. Most of the contract the foreign countries because of the some peoples are like resign the jobs because of their salary cuts and the maintaining family so
I said to avoid risk, you have to make sure to have build strong skills so that you don't have to be in this release. As, thank you. As everyone said, they may have chances to say take risks. If in that case, you have to learn many skills. As you guys said, we are typing with foreign countries. Instead of that, we have facilitate our skills. You can manage yourself with many. We can only tie up with our skills with many countries. Like if you are in good at your own skills, like if you're a mechanical engineer, you have to be a good core subject, or you have to be good at your communication skills. So no one can take you from the job.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are gonna have discussion on a very important and a very good topic, recession. Why are recession happening? First, I want to tell the reasons for recession. Mostly, it is because of inflation or a drop in consumer spendings, or investment drops, or maybe a sudden global shock, like maybe a war or an pandemic. Anything may cause inflation. Nowadays, it is trending that most of the MNCs are dropping a lot of employees, which is causing more families to struggle. So, how to avoid that decision and how to avoid us being in that situation? We have to improve our core skills. For example, we have to focus more on our mechanical strength, like designing. If we are concentrating on designing, we have to learn more CAD, CATIA, or any software like that. If we're gonna concentrate on the subject, we have to learn our core subjects and our basics, and we have to improve our communication skills to attract more people, and we have to do some freelancing as well to gain some attention from the other people around us. It may help us to develop, and we have to do some higher studies and improve our degree and add more degrees for us, so we will have some respect, and we can ignore that recession. Do you have any more points to add for this?
As Jagdish, actually, your point of view, and there are different reasons in the IT side system to not hire the persons. And in that, one of the reasons is they are having outdated courses like Python, Java, but they are wanting to hire the person who have done AI, cloud computing, and the new versions in this era, and they are looking to the people who has perfected in this. While the outdated courses are being automated by the AI generated, like the things. So we have to focus on learning the new skills and improve our basic skills as well.
Uh, First of all, the IT revolution, information technology reaches the demand and the market resources due to domestic economical crisis. There is a no funding our ideas to recruiters. It is causes the to mainly on the students to didn't recruit again the professors in the IT recruiters, and the lack of the project durations, delay projects. There is no content because there is no worker there. Uh, this will happen in the few 2 3 decades before. Not it will happen. There is coming the COVID-19 after before COVID-19, after COVID-19. There is a major changes to in the tech industries like Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft. There is a these all companies. There is a more than 1,50,000 layoffs are there. It is not just a small number. There is a few skilled members are there in the companies, but the AI, artificial intelligence, to replace that recruiters. It will be happen the automation and reducing the job opportunities. It is the IT result.
So I agree with your points. So for CSC, they are Python, and they're learning Python. Java is they doesn't hire freshers, so they replace with AI, like employees replace with AI. So they doesn't give any salary for it. So for employees, they give so they give salaries for employee. So they what they should do, they replace with AI. So they doesn't give that much of spending money on that AI. So for us mechanical, what is that we doing AutoCAD area. So there doesn't AI doesn't do that. For like automation, robotics, AI doesn't exist with the mechanical skills. So we are strong in that. So we must learn our strong side.
Yes, Shyam, I partially agree with your point because there are some things that AI can do as well in our mechanical branch. Like AI can also design models other than us. It can develop more accurately too. We can do some mistake, but AI can. So we have to improve ourselves. We have to develop our skills in that branch where we can improve more than AI. Like AI can do mistake, but we can. so that we can avoid that recession and we can avoid that layoff. Uh, Considering your point, AI is very dangerous for us because it is mainly focusing on our jobs. People are replacing our jobs with AI because it is more accurate, it is more cheaper than us. It has very less maintenance as well. So we have to avoid being that because we have to be better than that. Mostly it is very difficult, but we have to focus more on the skills and core knowledge so that we can be replaced by AI. I think communication skills is also a very good point, and interpersonal skills because AI can be much good as us in communication skills. So we have to concentrate on that as well.
Especially you are saying AI is the more accurate than the human, but I'm not accurate with one because AI is the most accurate, but in that knowledge giving by human. If you are use the tool properly, you can achieve more accurate results are there. In the IT recession, it is not just a fully collapse on the IT industry. It is just decreasing that, reducing our sales. Okay, this is the
Yes, 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 yeah, I agree with you. Nowadays, IT decision means to work out to follow IT industries. Many companies, uh, many companies are reducing works and cutting jobs and hiring new people. It may be causes for world economy is very weak and high costs and the use of AI machines. It definitely affects for the freshers to find this get a new job, and we are students, we will adopt the new skills for mechanical engineers, especially to learn AutoCAD and MECH-A is very essential for mechanical engineers.
Mostly you said that AI is replacing our humans. Mostly it is caused by replacement of AI only. We said that. Um, Lack of knowledge also, and we cannot adapt the modern technology, and we are not developing our skills according to the technology. um, we are back in that. uh,
As far as I agree with the points, only you all are discuss the points A, but my also your mechanical engineering, you adjust your adapting the NI to your technical skills and improving skills to enhance your skills. And my most important point is to avoid to
Yes, in mechanical engineering, the IT resistant jobs are very less, very low stability to build your communication skills and to improve your mechanical uh, mechanical engineering courses like CAD and area to build your skills that will helpful for your job getting a job opportunities like various type of for focusing on careers and to build your skills to establish a some.
So I want to conclude that not considering AI as a primary threat, we have to improve our skills and knowledge because recently AI got developed a lot, but we are much better, I think. So we have to not consider AI as a main threat. We have to improve more of our skills. We have to improve more of our knowledge. We have to do more degrees. We have to do some higher studies to avoid all these decisions, so that they don't stand a chance for us to fire us. I think mainly it is all the points we have to focus on to avoid being in a recession list. That is all.
Good morning, everyone. Now we are discussing the topic IT racism. IT racism, which has been one of the strongest pillars of the economy, is currently reducing a slowdown.
Now, topic is IT recession. Now, mechanical engineers is how to develop the IT sector to soft skills also you learn it, and we must will learn AutoCAD and we must will learn AutoCAD and KTN and SolidWorks etc. also, and mainly in IT sector and not only in software course. In mechanical engineers also you learn the Python and ALML and Java and etc. also in in an, in any company to should be um, in this course you learn to get a job in IT sector, and you know that all the mechanical engineers how to get a job for only for subjects and CGPA also. You learn the some basic topics, uh, uh, basic topics, and how to get a job to learn first of all SolidWorks and etc. We know that lost some jobs in mainly not a basics. What about question?
Yes, Sharisa, I agree your points. In nowadays, we should learn our new skills like AI and cloud computing to become the IT recession, overcome the IT recession. We should not learn the old skills. In now the software is running in between the new skills like AI. We should improve in that thing.
As Rajesh, your point is in agree with you. IT recession is nowadays early, and we learn the AI, cloud, and web development and soft skills. And behind the syllabus, we develop the our communication skills and presentation skills. And behind the studies, we participate the all our competitions.
Recession means slowdown in work and growth. Nowadays, so many people's company lost the job security. Chepe-
Now, we know that IT recession mainly affects now we are freshers to get a job with difficulty in this scenario. So you learn the ALML and etc. You get a job.
As Sirisham, we are mechanical engineers. We learn the CAD, CATIA, and ANSYS SolidWorks. We develop our skills and overcome this IT recession.
Yes, I
Now,
agree that your points. So, technology it come AI to learn the more skills to improve your area software, also CAD, AutoCAD. Many have software to come to improve your skills
now
in
I will
nowadays.
share one example in my senior. In my senior, we got a one job in one company. She is not basics and etc. So he lost her job because not basics and software skills and etc. Communication skills. So these are basics you learn, you get a good job.
Yes, Sirisha, your point is correct. CGPA, XGPA is a not grade. Our skills is important. The IT recession is the updating skills. Now the artificial intelligence, the a traditional coding supportive basics in a fundamental scenario.
You add some certificate course also in your resume. Now IoT and R software, these courses are added in mechanical engineers also
Hello.
because these courses are not only CSE courses in in mechanical also we learn this courses.
So we have to learn extra communication skills and artificial clouds communicating also.
No, in every mind in mechanical engineers, in softwares only you learn the IoT and cloud computing and etc. You learn mechanical engineering also in every company. IT is very important for this. So thank you.